Hello students, I am back again with your science class. Today we will continue our chapter 2, that is on living thing and non-living thing. In the previous class we have studied what are living things and non-living things and what are the things that living things can do and the non-living things they cannot do. Today we will extend the chapter. Non-living things are of two types. It can be natural and man-made. So, non-living things can be natural and man-made. Now, what are natural things? So, natural things, they are formed naturally or by themselves. So, what are natural things? They are formed naturally by themselves, like mountain, river, etc. Next, the man-made things. What are man-made things? Man-made things are the things that are made by man. So, what are the things made by man? We can see many things like table, chair. Next, we can see our houses that are also built by man. So, the things that are made by man are called man-made things. For example, what we can write? We can write table, chair, etc. So, up to this is our chapter. The chapter finishes here. So, what we have learned from this chapter? What are living things? What are non-living things? What are the things that living things can do? And non-living things consist of two things that are natural and man-made. Now, we will go to the exercise portion or the question answer part. So, the first question from this chapter will be, what are living things? So, what will be the answer? Things that have life in them are called living things. Question number 2. What are non-living things? So, things that do not have life in them are called non-living things. Question number 3. Name 4 natural things. What are the 4 natural things we can write? Mountain, river, rock, clouds. Next, question number 4. Name 4 man-made things. Table, chair, pen, toys. So 4 questions I have given. The more questions you can get it from the school website. So what are the 4 questions today we have written? What are living things? What are non-living things? Name 4 natural things. And number 4, name 4 man-made things. Today I will give you 2 questions homework and the rest of the part you will get from the school website. So note down the questions that are homework. Your homework question will be question number 1. Name 5 living things. And question number 2. Name 5 non-living things. So these 2 questions you can write of your own, I know it, because it is not that much hard. Try it, you can do it. So name 5 living things and name 5 non-living things. So our chapter finishes here. Next day we will go for the next chapter.